Welcome to Stack. If Microsoft Edge won't open PDF files and throws an error, don't worry, this is usually an easy fix. First, try the simplest solution. Restart Edge completely, close all tabs, then reopen the browser and test the PDF again. If the issue is still there, clear your browser cache. Go to Settings, Privacy, then Clear Browsing Data. Select Cached Files and restart Edge. Next, check if Edge is up to date. Outdated versions can cause PDF errors. Go to Help and Feedback, then About Microsoft Edge, and let it update automatically if needed. Another common fix is resetting Edge settings. Go to Settings, Reset Settings, and restore everything to default. This will not delete your bookmarks. If PDF still will not open, disable extensions. Some extensions interfere with PDF viewing. Turn them all off, then try again. You can also change the default PDF handler. Go to Settings, Cookies and Site Permissions, then PDF Documents, and make sure Edge is set to open them. If nothing works, repair Edge from Windows Settings. Go to Apps, find Microsoft Edge, click Modify, then Repair. Finally, as a backup solution, download the PDF and open it using another viewer to confirm the file itself is not corrupted. In most cases, one of these steps will fix the problem and get your PDFs working again. If this video helped you, give it a like, subscribe for more videos, and I will see you in the next one.